2, 3. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I ever go back. So let's root for the Angels. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game.